हाँ भाई गुरप्रीत, क्या हाल? Recording. So you are the host now, Gurpreet.
Sure. So before I share my screen, thank you everyone for giving me this opportunity and being here. So let me just brief out how I started. I was working in Max Hospital in 2019, and in hospitals, training how it happens is just fill the papers. So I did it for 1 year, but I wanted to create something. I'm like, I have to do something at least. I'm not only filling papers. And I left the job and then wanted to start something of my own. Then in December 2019 only, I went through a summit, learning design summit, where there was a person by the name of Bright Carbon. Richard, his company is Bright Carbon, and he did some amazing stuff on presentation. And then I realized, when I was in the corporate making presentations, there were a lot of people who did work, but they were not able to present, and that's why they did not were not able to get that increment. you know uh, when I was in HCL also, my boss Anita, she used to say, this line is not straight, this color is not straight, this font is not straight. Every time, for one presentations, if it used to start on Monday morning till Friday evening, minimum was, most of the people used to face that challenge. So when and things went online, I thought that this is something which most of the people needed. And when you see in the market, there are more than thousands of alternatives to PowerPoint. People still ask me, why PowerPoint? I said that this is most of the universal tool and most of the people can use it. So today, I'm not going to tell you something a very rocket science, but something which people have not explored in PowerPoint, something which is very simple, easy, which you can start using it and start doing it. Okay. So I'll just quickly share my screen. So if you see this, I'll do slide by slide how I made this slide also. I'm not sure if which version of PowerPoint you're using, but I use Office 365. This is a paid subscription, a home subscription. You can think of using it. It comes with 420 rupees per subscription per month, where you get premium version of Word, Excel, and PowerPoint, and also you get 1 TB of cloud storage. So if you go in any other platform and buy cloud storage also, they charge you around 600, 700 rupees. And 1 TB nobody gives, right? So if you see this slide, I'll go to this. If you see this part, this is called the ribbon of the PowerPoint. Something from this line up till here, below this red line, this is called the ribbon. And we have just seen the up, whatever is there up here. There are a lot of options inside. If we start clicking it, we will use it, and it becomes very easy to create engaging presentations. So if you see this as well, I'll just quickly go to a blank slide, and I'll just write it over here: welcome all participants. And if I go to design and I go to design ideas, so this is an AI part of PowerPoint which you can start using and making these things. So once you change here, you write oxygen here, just a random word which came in my mind. So you'll have so much of things coming in, and then you can customize your slide. So rather than going and looking for, so many images out, where to fit in, what to do, what not to do. So there are different layouts. If you change the layout also, you'll have a different version. For some you will find it, for some you will not find this. Does it make sense? Is it useful? If you can write in the chat area, I'll just
Yes, it is. It is
Yes,
useful.
so if you use this Office 365, then only you will get this option. uh, the in the 2020 version also, I'm not sure if this option is there. Okay. So let me go on a slideshow mode. So I'm not gonna, maybe I can run this. So if we are, so this is a general slide which I make it for all. So if you're presenting, we're not no presentation, no conference, it does not look professional, participants attention. So majorly, why are we presenting, when you, especially in the online mode, we need participant should focus, his attention should be there in whatever you're presenting. So this is what it is. So now ribbon. So if you see this ribbon inside this, there are so many options. Like we all keep on looking for icons. So if you go in every presentation, you look for icons, you go to the Google and look for it. So if you click on icons here, so there are a lot of icons. And now they have started giving illustrations also. So now people are putting illustrations. So illustrations are also there in PowerPoint. Vivek, have you used this option?
Yeah, I have used it.
You have used it. Okay. Apart from this, like if you will go in add-ins and get add-in, how many people have used add-in?
Not in PowerPoint.
Not in PowerPoint.
No.
You've not used add. So if you want to use forms, so if you want to use quizzes, you want to use polls, we are using Mentimeter, and there are so many tools which you're using. Forms is something which you can use it. This is very easy. Let me just stop the share because this comes in a web version.
So this takes us to the website.
So this is office.com, you go.
Uh-huh.
So this is an add-in, you can add in from there also, but I was just wanted to show it over here. So if suppose you want to, for Vivek, if you are doing an event registration, so you can go and click over here. So there are some predefined formats they give it, and something you can create it on your own also. Let me just open it for you. See, you can write your name, session which you plan, so you can edit it. This is just a generalized one. You can edit this also. You can change the theme from here. Whatever theme you want, it will change. You get the responses here. You can add your questions. So you delete it and you can add the questions.
So it will incorporate that Google form with it.
It's a Microsoft form. It's not a Google form.
Actually,
It's a
it's not a Google form.
No, it's a Microsoft form.
Okay.
So people are not using this. People are majorly using Google form.
Correct.
Yes. So
They
I
are
will
using
just
Survey Monkey, like to
Survey Monkey. Yes. But I'll show you. I have created one. So this is one of the add-in. I'll show you more add-ins which can help and make your tasks easy. So where is my PowerPoint? Yes. So this is a form which I created. Please enter your name, organization name, mobile number, email ID, share your city, job profile. And in one go, you have the responses and you can open it in an Excel. So people have filled it. You open it in Excel. It's just opening. So you got a fair idea, or you want me to show the Excel also?
We can have a look at the Excel as well, just to.
Sure, sure, sure. I'll just show you. It's actually opening from the cloud, so that's why it's taking some more time. Okay. Can you see the Excel? Or you
Yeah,
want me to
yeah, it
change
was
the share?
it was visible.
Is it visible? You can see the.
No, it was actually.
So it tells you start time, what time the participants start filling. Can you see the Excel sheet? Is it visible for everybody?
No.
No,
No.
it
Just a
isn't.
minute. I'll just change the stop share. Change the share. Yes. So this is how it is. You get the start time. Can you see it now?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So your name of the participant, organization name, mobile number, email ID, location, whatever you want to capture, it is easily capturable. And you can open it from anywhere. It's same like Excel.
So Gurpreet, so my question is, so once you fill this Microsoft form, so you can like directly download the same in the Excel format.
Yes, yes. So if you, I'll just stop share and I'll again share it, that form. So this is the response and open in Excel. Can you see this?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So once you click it, the Excel sheet will open. And the data is all stored. It's the same form. You can use it again and again, again and again. You'll also come to know, right, which day the person has filled it. So if I again share you that Excel sheet, so from filters here, you know it, which date the person has filled it. So suppose you're starting any batch, you don't have to do it again and again. So it is all there on the cloud. You just share the link and people can start filling it.
But
Do you
but
want to?
like but this so how is it different from Google Forms? Like, I just want to understand how this is different from.
So it is like, everything you have in the same room. Like I'm sitting in a room, lamp is here, water is here only. I can drink it. I don't have to go to another room again and again. Everything is there in my room. So it's like getting familiar to one application rather than, juggling between applications.
Okay.
So that is the reason I wanted to promote this, and I want to share with everybody, people, because what will happen is your mind, and I come from the training background, that subconscious mind gets used to it. When you start using it, you get used to it, and one tool you're getting everything.
So like, do you think in the times to come, this will gradually replace Google Forms?
I I'm not the one who can judge that, but I can show you more benefits of it, more benefits of PowerPoint. So this is one. So can you see my PowerPoint again?
Yeah.
Yeah. So if you see this emoji keyboard now, I'll add this emoji. I think it is already there, but a lot of times you want to add emojis in my presentation. So if I go to this emoji keyboard, we all struggle to find so many emojis, where to get it from. And this is all free of cost. It's just opening, because it's all opening from cloud.
Network seems to be slow.
No, maybe, but
Hmm.
actually, Geo had is a full network coming in. It sometimes take time, but most of the time it opens. Add-in could not be started. Close this dialog to ignore the promo. Restart again. Let me try again. Or let me try it from add-ins only from here. Let me see. Get add-in. Or I first remove this system. Remove add-in. Yes. Vivek, can you see now?
Yeah, we can see this.
So these are all those emotions, right? You can change the skin tone. So if I want to add any one of them, this is my size. If I want to increase the size, it will increase or decrease. Large, if I do, I'll delete this one. Got it? Very, very helpful when you're making your presentations, want to add visual aid rather than going on Google, looking for images, for visuals again and again. You can all find it here. Is it, are you, Chaitanya, did you try on your system? Is it coming?
So actually, I don't have 365 in my system.
No, but
So
which version of PowerPoint are you using, Chaitanya?
I suppose I have 2010.
Maybe you
Is it-
try just in add-in, go to add-ins and try. Maybe it is there.
Just give me a moment.
Varsha, if you can also try and others, because if we practice it right now, it will be.
Yeah, I'll try. Mine is
Oh, yeah.
2010.
Also, if you get Pixton characters, this is also very good. Vivek, you must have got it, right?
Yeah, I have it.
You're already using it.
I had not checked add-ins, but now But I'm sure I have it because I'm using 365.
And just see if you're getting it.
1 second, let me check
Other
it.
participants also, if you can
Yeah.
please look at it.
Oh,
Sangeeta.
mine is 2007.
Achha, yours is
Mine is
2007.
2010, Windows 10, but I'm not able to see the option.
Pixton comic characters. This one also you're not getting? Varsha?
No. I think we should be sponsored with 365 by Vivek. No, high time.
Yeah,
Yeah.
agree.
Vivek comments.
Vivek will
You should.
Vivek will kill me.
Nah, nah. You should. What good thing with me. I have friends in the right places. So I have a friend in Microsoft who gifted me a license long back, and it's a perpetual license, so I don't have to
Oh.
bother too much about. Let me see add-ins.
Gurpreet, so that add-ins would be in the design part because I'm using
No,
2007.
it'll be insert
Yes.
add-ins.
So there is no add-in in my
Yeah,
version.
2007 you will not have it, but
No, there is.
2010 you will have it. Varsha and Sangeeta, for you,
So for 2010, it's icons like picture, clip art,
clip
screenshots,
art.
photo albums, like that.
The clip art pixel is
Shapes and
there
all that.
in my version as well.
Hmm.
So like none of these are
I am
there.
able to access. I have it. Just not check.
Sangeeta, you have it. Oh, great.
Just not
So
check.
which one did you get it, Sangeeta?
I have almost everything. The forms, Picket, script lab,
Picket, okay,
reviewer,
okay.
uh,
So
power
if you
emoji keyboard is also there.
emoji keyboard is there, just start using it. It is very helpful.
Okay.
If you'll start using in your, like, if you see this Pixton comic characters, I'll show you this also. It is actually worth. You will spend 420 rupees per month, but you will get an output of almost 40,000. So
But I
let me show
think we
you.
need to upgrade or pay something for this because it's not allowing me to add.
So it is 420 rupees per month. So in
It's only
420
for the
rupees,
365, right? Not for the normal Windows 10 version.
no, Windows 10 version, it will work. Yes, you can buy it.
Oh, I need to buy it.
Yes, so it's not only that you will get only PowerPoint, you will get premium version of Excel, Word, and 1 TB of cloud storage,
Okay.
and which you can access from 5 devices. So now if you look at these Pixton characters, if I select, pick a type, select an image, I'm just randomly selecting it. Then I can select an outfit for a training program or anything you're presenting. You got different poses are there.
But just out of curiosity, isn't it time consuming to keep selecting what you're actually wanting rather than to just hop onto Google, type, and just get what you want? Is it time consuming because you've worked on it? Or is it just because we've got into a habit of?
So this is what I'm saying. It is like you have to make presentations rather than going and looking for 10 tools. In the starting, definitely, Varsha, you will have a problem, right? You starting, you'll have a problem. But when you'll start using it, and when we are all professionals, we have to make presentations, some or the other sort, some other way marketing flyer or something, we have to make it.
But
You
there
will
is a
get hang to it.
Gurpreet, there is a different advantage of it. The pics that we
Mhm,
pick from Google are all
mhm,
not free. We in India
mhm,
have this habit of picking anything and using it.
mhm.
We may be liable to pay money for it.
Yes, here
Here
copyright
Micros
issues.
here
Huh.
Microsoft is giving you copyright pictures, and not just these pictures, or even those, the most of the images that I use are free images that Microsoft gives me. So I don't have to bother about what picture I'm picking from Google, whether it has some copyright or not.
Thank you so much,
That
Vivek,
way
for
is
I know.
that
clarifying.
I am
that's
already suffering
secure.
because of it. Using a
I know there are a lot.
someone was chasing me for using a picture.
There is.
Also,
But
this
one more
is,
thing, I have my doubt is,
please.
suppose we create a presentation in this version and I mail it to someone, probably they may not be having this version or 365. Uh,
No, it is
can we
it is
convert it
not
into
like that.
PDF? Will it
No, it
open?
will be visible. You can, yes, you can convert into PDF also. So one click PDF. You go to File. Let me show you.
All the presentations that I use are made here only. So I
So you go
mostly I
to
use
file.
PDF formats.
So you go to file, save as. So these are the options: PPT, PPTM, PPTX, PDF, XPS. There's so many templates. You can save into PNG, JPEG, animated GIF file.
Videos.
So you can make a animated GIF also in PowerPoint. You can make a video in PowerPoint. The same presentation, if you want to convert into video, you can do it. You can add your voiceover and you can do it. You can record your presentations. So also there's another option, Premass Plus. So these are very, just I'm just telling you 2 or 3 examples. There are so many, and everybody has a different use to it. I don't remember this, but it is free of cost. Some of the options are free of cost. Some of them they do charge. So the ribbon, if you'll see this recording option, you can export to video. You can record slideshow. So if you're doing in a slideshow mode and you want to give your voiceover to any presentation you want to share with, that is also possible. You can do video recording. You can make a video. You can put in audio. You can add an audio also, and you can convert into an audio also.
What is a screen recording, Gurpreet?
So you can record a particular scene. Just let me
Okay.
show you. So I have to select the area
Hmm.
and it will start recording.
Okay.
Great. So I'll go ahead.
Sure.
Okay. Now, when it comes to presentations, the quick access toolbar is one of the very handy tools. Most of us are not using it, and for us, it is all hanging there. Show quick access toolbar. वो यहाँ पे दिख रहा होगा सबके presentation में. Am I right, Vivek?
Correct.
So we have not used it ever. So actually, it should be here, below the ribbon, and whatever you want to use it again and again. Suppose I want to, I'll just remove this first. So shapes is something which we regularly needed. So if I'll go to insert, then I'll click shape, then I'll click a rectangle, then I'll take it on your slide. But if I move this to quick access toolbar, add to quick access toolbar, let me open a blank slide. I just click 1 click and 2 click. It is there.
Okay.
Varsha, does it make sense?
Does, but then the access toolbar that is visible on your screen, it's not coming on 2010. I mean,
No,
there's an
no,
option
no.
to add it.
This is a very old option. So let me make you a co-host. I can make you a co-host. Why don't you share your screen? Is that okay?
Yeah, yeah.
I'll make you a host. Share your screen, please.
So is the screen visible?
Yeah.
I think it's 2007. This is
No, it's-
2007 version.
But why does it say
It is all here. It is all here. This one up top. So just give me the control. It is there. Add to
Yeah,
quick
show
access
quick.
toolbar.
And show also, yeah.
Yeah, and this one.
So we just have to do a right click in order to do that.
Show quick access toolbar below the ribbon.
Right.
So this was the ribbon and this is your quick access toolbar.
Mm.
Anything, suppose charts, you're using it again and again, add to quick access toolbar. We use text box again and again. Add to quick access toolbar. So rather than going shapes, you can directly go and click here and you can start making shapes rather than going to insert and making it. Is anybody else facing the same challenge? I can help it out. So Varsha, if you can just make me the host again. Let me check. Uh, if you can make me the host again, or Vivek, if you can do it.
Can no, I don't have the rights now. Then I think
I think
will
Varsha, you have it.
Varsha
Varsha, if you
has the
can,
rights.
Varsha, if you
Just
can make
one.
it, please.
1 minute.
Like, what is the major difference between 365 and this Windows 10? Right now I have the something that is latest, but what is the only the online options or how it is?
It's an online version, 1 TB of cloud storage, premium. You're all so whenever any company is selling a premium version and a free version, some of the options will be off.
Sir, I also saw like in the MS Excel, also in the 365, there like have been new functions added. So I was just checking the other day. So like the MS Excel version which I am using, and in the 365 you have a new function called as X lookup.
Yes, they would have it. I have not worked on Excel very recently,
Okay.
but they will have it. The premium is always a premium, but it is affordable. It is not that the premium of Microsoft is very expensive. 420 rupees per month. If you'll go to Google, I think they give it for 15 GB. They charge you 650 rupees. Apart from whatever they give you free, 15 GB they give you free. Up over and above that, if you buy it, I think it is 650 rupees per month for 15 GB. So 420 is reasonable. And if you can also do other thing. If you have a family, it will come for 530 rupees for 6 users. And every user will get 1 TB of cloud storage free. So in total, you get 6 TB of cloud storage. So it comes to around 105 rupees per user. And if you have a 2 user, then also it is not a bad deal.
so per
Again,
user license,
I'm
per user
yes,
license, for how much do they charge?
420 rupees, Vivek.
Okay, and irrespective of whatever numbers you have, just
No,
multiply
if
that.
you will give it no.
Hmm.
If you'll buy it for one person, it will be 420 rupees, which I have taken. If
Okay.
you will take it for a family,
Uh,
it will be 530 rupees. They will give it to you for 6 users. Let me show
530.
it to you that also right away. अभी दिखाता हूँ मैं वो भी आपको. And this is a home version. This is not a business version. But if you have an education thing for education के लिए, I think they give some discount.
Education, I think there is a separate thing
Ah.
for them.
So this is C. Vivek, can you see that?
Yeah, I can see.
So 530 rupees. So if you want to buy it for a year, you can do that 5299 per year. 1 month they give it to you free also. So they will not charge anything 1 month. So up to 6 TB of cloud. It's not up to, it is 6 TB exactly. I have used this also in my family.
Okay. ठीक है. This should be
Okay, so
fine.
I'll come back to. Great. So if you'll see my quick access toolbar, this is an alignment tool, something which I use very frequently. So let me show you also what alignment tool is. So what happens is sometimes, if suppose you're making boxes for writing text, and what we generally do is we will do right click, copy, and then we will do paste, right? But the correct way to do it is, sorry, I'm not saying the correct way, the faster way to do it is you do Control D, you put it over here and do Control D, Control D, Control D. Whatever number you want to add, you select all of them, you do Control D. These are not aligned. I'm just doing it purposely. I'll not do this one. So now I will align all of them. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'll go to alignment tool. I will do distribute horizontally. It is distributed, it says, and I will align top. See, all of them have come in the same line. But what we do is हम ऐसे करते रहते हैं ना विवेक.
Correct.
ये हो जाए. It is like भगवान भरोसे. Am I right?
Right.
Yeah, this saves a lot of time actually.
So if you will see, let me delete all of these. ये वाले नहीं करूँगा मैं. So I've deleted all of them. See, like this way it is. I select all of them, distribute vertically, align left. See, all of them have come in the same line. It is like this also. Distribute horizontally, align top. Do you guys want to try this?
Can we also resize it to the equal size of one box?
No, they all the boxes are of equal size.
No, but in case it is not, we have taken 3-4 boxes, but then we feel every box should be.
So you select all the boxes, go to shape format and change the size. Is that okay, Sangeeta?
Yeah. Because this is what generally we happen, we end up taking
Yes.
boxes of our different sizes.
We should never take that. We should never do that. We should always start with a size which we want. But if still we have done it, that's okay. If we have done it, you can change it like this.
Okay.
You guys want to try this Control D alignment tools? So for you guys, you will find it over here. Alignment tools. You will find it over here in shape format, align. So align, you right click and it's already there on my quick access toolbar. So let me first remove it and I will add it. Add to quick access toolbar. So it is there. Chaitanya, were you able to find alignment tool? Because alignment tool is a quite old option.
Yeah, so first you have to click on the shapes.
Shape format.
Shape format is visible. I don't know. It's not
Or no, for you it will be format. In the older version, it was format.
In my version of 2007, the shapes icon is directly there. Then like there are different shapes, and have like taken a rectangle, and then I don't know where is the align option.
Format, are you getting a one? Select that shape.
Yes, I have done a right click and it says format shape.
uh, just click on the shape.
Yeah, I've done a right click. I've done a
Okay.
right click.
Are you finding this option format here? Leave this shape. Only format option. Are you getting it over here on
I'm
the
just
top?
yeah, I'm getting the format option.
Format. So once you click it, are you getting these options or something like this? Or you right click?
Yeah, I have clicked the format option, so I am getting back. Yeah, the align option is there.
There. Okay, na? So
Yeah,
it's a quite old option.
yeah,
Very
yeah,
helpful. Very helpful.
yeah. So I've just selected if I said align center, so it got aligned in the center. Then
Yes.
I just reduced it, yeah, so it works.
Yeah, definitely it
Yeah.
will work.
I'm not finding it.
You're not finding it, Sangeeta. You will definitely find it. You will find it in the shape format option.
I mean, the only thing I have here is file, home, design, insert, transitions, animation,
So, so
right?
what you do is you make a shape, make any shape or just a rectangle, anything you make it on your slide.
Now it has come automatically.
Now it
The
has come. It will automatically come. Yes.
Yeah, now
So
it's
that is what it is. The ribbon has so many options. Once you start using it, like if you see this animations, let me show you. So right now this animation, all options are available. But once I will delete all this, see animation is not there. People will say, "अरे animation तो काम ही नहीं करता मेरे में. ये क्या है? ये तो partiality है Microsoft का." So there is no partiality. You will have to start using it, and you will over a period of time you will get used to it.
yeah, sir. Now it says no animation actually.
It will say no animation. For me also it is no animation is coming. So for animation to run, you need to have a shape.
Shit.
Any shape you make, I made this shape. Now I see animation option is on. See, it is on now.
Yeah.
So if we get used to this quick access toolbar, it will save a lot of time for us, lot of time. So I want people to spend more time with their families and not with the PowerPoint. So most of the time it happens, 6 o'clock, you get a call from your boss, hey, Gurpreet, can you make the presentation? Till 2 o'clock in the night, we are making this presentation. We just keep on aligning it. So let me now again go to the basic master slide option. Let me just open a blank slide first. So I've opened a blank slide and I want to have a top header, whatever design you want. Right now, I'll just do it very basic. So what I'll do is I want the same logo or anything across the slide same. So let me first select those logos on an image. Let me take any logo. Let me take a logo of any company.
So just type Microsoft maybe.
Let me take an icon. Microsoft, okay. Let me take an icon, and suppose icon is suppose this is the brand logo. I'll insert it over here. This option of fragment, I'll tell you later once I finish this. So suppose I want this on the top of my slide and this I want it, right? So I'll just copy this, or I'll cut it rather. I'll go to view, I'll go to slide master, and on the first slide, on the top of the slide, this one, I will do Control V. And if I suppose I want it this way, or if I want to move it this way, whatever I want, let us do this way and see view normal. Can you see that?
Yeah.
So a lot of time we keep on doing this only. All the slides have the same thing. And now suppose I want to add a header to my slides, and a lot of time what happens, I'll show you. I'll go to insert title 1. Title 1 is here. In second slide, oh sorry, this is the second slide only. Let me put this on the first slide. On second slide, you will find it somewhere here. Title 2. Let me again copy this. Sometimes it will go this way. And then it will go somewhere touching here, 4. And now when you present it, let me show you from, just look at the title, 1, 2, look, the position is changing every time, right? So how we can avoid this is, we go to view, we go to guides, right? You right click this one and you add a horizontal guide, and I change the color of this so that it is always visible to me, and I move it over here, and this will come exactly the same way on all the slides. I'll put it on that line every time. Can you see that? Only still I need to correct it. Still there is an issue. Still it needs to be corrected. We can do that. You know, you got a brief idea about it.
Yeah.
So
Yes.
this will save lot of time this will save. You can also have ruler, you know, wherever you want to paste your, suppose you want to add two boxes equally. I want to start it from here as a center. Exactly here also I want to do it. So it is 3.5 0 2 yes. Getting it? These are
Yeah.
small things which will make your slide, you know, align. Your format will all be same across the slide. Is it helpful?
Yeah, very much.
Gurpreet, I have noticed one more thing.
Yeah, Vivek.
When we copy from one slide to another,
Mm-hmm.
let's say we copy title 1 from slide 1 to slide 2,
Mm-hmm.
it exactly maintains the location and the dimensions of it.
Mm-hmm.
So if I'm not using master slide, let's say I have logo on slide 1, if I copy and paste the logo on slide 2, it will go exactly at the same location as slide 1.
Mm-hmm.
Well, you can also use duplicate slide as well. It will like exactly replicate the same.
That will replicate the whole slide. Let's
Yeah,
say
yeah.
I just tried accidentally, I saw, I was not using master, I had logo on first slide. I thought let me copy it. The moment I copied, exact size, exact, location, everything is same.
So
Put it in
the
any part of the screen and copy it. The next slide, the same location it goes and
same
replicates.
location comes, you know, but what advantage over here, Vivek, is this is a watermark now. Can you
Correct.
see that open? So
So
that is the advantage.
it's kind of grid. It gives you an idea.
Yes. So it's like a watermark, you can say now. So if you give it to anybody, nobody will be able to change it unless he's very perfect, you know, and doing it. He has so much of time.
Now we can take the assessment on LinkedIn on PowerPoint. We know the options. What is guide? What is alignment?
Acha, this test is also there on LinkedIn.
No, you have not noticed. LinkedIn has added assessment now.
Acha.
So it has
LinkedIn
all.
is becoming like Facebook now.
It has all
Has been.
Microsoft things. And a lot of technical tests are also there.
Acha. Okay.
Hmm.
Great. So please start using this, right? Your slide, you will spend less time on your slides. So now let me go back to my, now this option of merge shapes. Nobody has used it. Major of the people will just use shapes. So let me again open a blank slide. So what happens is if you go to insert, you will get these shapes only. People say ये तो बहुत कम shapes है भाई. Canva में तो बहुत सारे shapes आते हैं. मैं नए shapes कैसे बनाऊं? How do I make new shapes? So PowerPoint has given you that option. Merge shapes is the option. So if you see this is over here. For 2007 version, you will have it as combined shape. So if you will go to file, just follow me and go to options. Are you
Okay.
finding this options? Once you click options, Vishal, you are able to follow me?
Yeah, PowerPoint options it says.
Yes, I am following.
Yes. Quick
Thank you.
access toolbar. There's somebody else apart from Vishal. Ujjwal and Shravani, you're able to follow?
Yeah, I'm doing that one actually.
Great. Shravani? So if you'll go to quick access toolbar, this is the default setting, popular command. So people say options तो बहुत कम है popular में. लोग तो कहते हैं, Gurpreet Pauja is saying there is so many options. So you'll have to click to all commands. So once you click on all commands, the Arabian Sea of options will come in. See, it's endless of options. And if you want to use it, like I want the merge shape options.
Sir, in my case in 2007, when
It will be combined. For you, it will be combined.
It shows customize.
Customize ribbon and
Yeah,
quick
so
access toolbar is not showing.
it says customize the quick access toolbar.
So go and click on all commands.
Yeah, all commands are clicked. It says, yeah, one slide, 3D picture rotation.
Go and look for combine shapes here.
Just a moment.
Combine. Like this.
Combine.
So for people who are 2010 and above, and for who have 365, it is merge shapes.
So it says combine characters.
No, you will have combined shapes also, Chaitanya.
Oh, but surprisingly, it's not showing. It's showing com add-ins. It's showing combined characters. It's showing combo box, but it's not showing combined shapes.
For me, it's showing.
Is it showing for you? Yeah, for Sangeeta, for you it will show merge shape only. For 2010 and above, it is merge shape. So look for subtract. Subtract or intersect or
Yeah, I'm just checking subtract. I'll just share. It's showing subscript and superscript.
It is different.
subscript shapes is not coming.
No.
Intersect.
Let me check on intersect. It's showing internet facts. Intersect. No, it's not showing intersect.
Shapes, look for shapes, option like shapes maybe. Because there are few of my participants who use 2007 version. For them, it shows combined shapes.
Shape, there are options like shape effects, shape fill, shape height.
But
shape outline.
Chaitanya, just one thing. I have told you enough of reasons to buy Office 365. Maybe you can think. Maybe you can think of buying it. It is worth, right, Chaitanya?
Yes, sir.
It is worth. So you can think about it. Maybe what you can do, Chaitanya, is go for a free version. For 1 month free, they give it to you.
Okay.
Start using it. If it is helpful, then you can buy. Or if you don't want to buy, you don't want. Or you can create multiple email IDs and you can buy for 2-3 months. No, I've done it. I have also done it.
Jugaad.
Jugaad, Indians, we are Indians, Jugaad mein aa gaya. Great. So for people who have got it merge shapes, so merge shape, it is already there. First I will remove it, then I will add. So I am adding it, merge shapes. And then I click on OK. So once I click on OK, you will find it over here. Vivek, did you get it?
Yeah, I got it.
You got it. Sangeeta? You got it. Okay. Now let me show you the real magic, what this tool is all about. So suppose I take a circle. I take this circle. I'll tell you how to create this circle also equally. So I fill this with a different color and I do shape outline, no outline, and I'll make this little lighter. So I'll go to format shape and I'll go to transparency. I'll reduce the transparency and I'll put it over here, right? I'll select blue one and then I'll show you the way. First I will select this one and this one, and in the second option let me duplicate this. Duplicate kar lete hain, right? So I select this first blue circle and then the gray circle, and you see this merge shape is on. And how I have selected is by pressing shift key. First I select this circle, blue one, I press shift key, and then I select this circle, and then I do a union. A new shape is created. Similarly, if I do a combine, this is created. If I'll do a fragment, this is how it is. If I'll do intersect, this is how it is. And if I'll do subtract, this is how it is. Now in this option, if I select gray first and then the blue one, union, combine. So what is happening? The shape of the final shape will be the shape of the shape which we select first. Are you getting it, Vivek?
Got it.
Yes.
So there are so many options which are possible. New shapes you can create it. Suppose first I have created this shape. Now I want to cut this also. Just a random. I'm not nothing in my mind. Nothing. Sorry, nothing as planned. So now I want to remove this top edge. So what I'll do is I'll select this. And I'll do a subtract. Suppose I want to divide this into two equal parts. Fragment. So there are so many options. Vishal, Shravani and Ujjwal, are you able to follow me?
Yes, following.
Varsha, did you get this option?
Yes.
Oh. Do you guys want to practice this or you want me to go ahead?
We'll practice it. You can go ahead.
We'll practice it later. Okay. So this shortcut keys, I will give you a handout and you can work on it. Now it comes to how to work with images on PowerPoint. So suppose what happens in most of our slide, we will just put text, right? Text hoga pure slide mein. So the other way of making your slide visually appealing is you can add a background image. So suppose I want to give an office. So if you go to insert, online picture is one way. So I take this image, insert it. Now I click on this image. I go to crop using these black handles. and then I'll go to crop and I'll fill it. Then what I will do is, where is it gone?
Let's see.
Achha, this is the one. ये fill हो गया image. Then we can go to picture format, go to transparency, and we can make this transparent. Go to slideshow mode, and you can add your text on the top of it. So if you think that this is little darker, then you can choose this one. Can you see the background image? It is little lighter.
Yeah.
It is little light, but most of the time I use this one, the second option. The other way to emphasize on your images is, I don't do transparency of this. I do it like this. Another slide, I'll just, rather I'll duplicate this slide, and then I will go to picture format, artistic effect. I'll do it blur. I'll go to format picture, artistic effect. I will increase the radius, make it more blur. So how it is now, if suppose I want to add some point or some text, so I'll go to shape.
So this option is there in 2007 version as well.
Artistic?
Yeah.
Oh, great.
Oh, I'm asking, is it there or not?
I'm not sure. I think it is not there. So now I start my slide like this, okay, or I say anything, and then I do enter. Can you see the change in focus,
Correct.
Vivek?
Correct. I can
Yeah.
see this.
So this is how it is very helpful. Also, if you want, you can do this on the same slide also. Suppose I want to do this here only. So what I'll do is this image and this, I will put an animation and I'll make it appear. I will copy this image. I'll put it over here. Sorry. I'll put it on this slide only. I will send it to back. When I go in a slideshow mode and I do enter. इसको कट करके किसी के ऊपर डाल देते हैं. That is better. So I go to slideshow mode. This it comes and I do enter. On the same slide you can do it also. Crop feature I told you, artistic effect, transparency effect I told you. Then it comes to stock images. So there are a lot of websites which give you free images. Unsplash is a very useful website. So let me open that Unsplash first.
Just one question. The 365 version PPT, how is it different from Prezi? Is it any thoughts on that?
Prezi is first Microsoft came. Prezi, Canva. There are thousands of them. They came. They're all babies of Microsoft. I will say that. I hope it answers your question.
Yes, sir.
So Unsplash, you get so many photos, all high definition photos. So suppose let me write human resource management. Array,
Spelling is. These are
See,
all free images.
yes, Unsplash is free.
Wow.
So like this is along with the MS PowerPoint 365, or like you can just type it on Google and then you can get the required
Type it on
images?
Google, but if you will go here, insert, just a minute, let me again change my share, stop share, share. uh, So we'll go to insert pictures, stock images.
Okay.
Most of them are from Unsplash only.
So like they are preloaded once we like take up the MS PowerPoint 365, or we take the Office 365. So when we like make when we are like making the PowerPoint presentation, so this it's already preloaded.
Yeah. So anything you write, here you write human. So many images will come. Anyone you can use it. Oxygen. You just insert it, crop it, and start using it. Got it? So I'll just have a quick 30-second water break and I'll join you back. Fine, Vivek?
Sure.
Thank you.
What Microsoft seems to have done is they've picked up from everywhere. They have features from Canva, they have features from everyone. It seems they have put it in Microsoft only. So that you
लोगों ने
don't have to.
इंटीग्रेशन कर दिया, हर चीज का इंटीग्रेशन कर दिया.
But Microsoft has always been like that, no? No. Windows was also a copy version, no? But yes, now PowerPoint is it has everything in it. You know, all my presentations I use PowerPoint. The videos we use PowerPoint. All the voiceover has been through PowerPoint. So it has now everything in it. Especially these images and all, it was a big pain finding out images, and you never know which one has copyright thing. So even in Canva now they have incorporated this Pexels and Pixabay. So those you get free images, you have no tension whether you are using a copyrighted images or not. So it gives you those images. I'll check Unsplash also on Canva if it is there.
So how
Yeah,
much,
Vivek.
sir? How much you have to pay for like here for using MS365?
That's what I told you. I don't know. I'm not. I have
It's
this
four to
for.
nine nine. It's 4299 per year. But if you go for month, this is 420. If you have friends or family who can share, it comes to 100 rupees per subscription if you have 6 people.
I have been using this Microsoft license for 7 8 years now. So I don't know how it is. So it gets upgraded automatically.
Okay. Now again, there is one more shape option. So if suppose I take this triangle, so I do right click, edit points, right click, and edit points. So you'll have these points coming in.
Mhm.
So if you just see the arrow, it's like a mouse now, it will change and again it will change. Can you see the three options,
Yeah,
three icons? Yes.
it's moving actually.
Yes. So now if I do right click and I do a curved segment,
Oh,
I do a curved segment, I do a curved segment. A new shape is created. You can move this also,
that's good.
right? Also, what you can do is, let me do it. I generally do it with these guides. Guide कहाँ चला गया? हाँ ये रहा. Let me align center, align middle. Now this is middle.
Mhm.
I will take one rectangle यहाँ से. इसको भी duplicate करके I will do more rotation options. 45 degrees. I will do this. Flip कर दिया इसको. सबको select करके fragment कर दिया. So this is just measurements are not done. That's why it is coming uneven. Got it,
Mhm.
Vivek?
Got it. Got it.
अगर ये मेरे हिसाब से फिर remove this ना, इसको हटा देंगे तो ये अभी सही नहीं है, ये align है नहीं properly. Got it?
Got it.
So using shapes, merge shapes and edit points, you can create any shape you want to, anything you want to. Let me now show you one website where there are a lot of icons, sorry, infographics there, and you can all create if you are familiar with merge shapes, shapes and edit points. So this website name is freepick.com. I'll send you in this chat.
Okay.
Free version is enough. बहुत कुछ है उसमें use करने के लिए. So I'll write business infographics. ये जितने भी हैं विवेक, we can make it using merge shapes, edit points and all.
Good.
Some of them are free, जहाँ पे ये प्रीमियम का ऑप्शन बना हुआ है, that is premium.
Mm-hmm.
These and all can be created. Icons are available there, ऐसे line बनाना. So one you make it and you just duplicate, start duplicating it.
Okay.
Do you want me to cover more? क्योंकि मुझे लग रहा है this is information overload.
I think it is, but you have given a good flavor. I think the
So,
curiosity will.
So we can directly save this and like we like accordingly populate the necessary changes.
for
As we
free one
want.
you can do that. But again, you know, if you want to make it your own, why don't you? It's easy. Just do some changes and make it your own.
Yeah,
Why
that's what I was
why do you
asking.
want
So
to go
like
it in your copyright thing?
no. So like if I'm talking about this infographic step, so like if we just take this, if you want to add some pointers,
Hmm.
we can directly do in this. That's what was my
Yes, yes.
question.
A lot of these designs are also covered in the templates also. When you
Yes.
open a PowerPoint file, if you select a template, these a lot of these designs are there. So you can just edit the values and use it. But as he rightly said, there are limited options there. You know. Yeah, Gurpreet, why not? I think you have introduced them to good PowerPoint. So Gurpreet actually runs a lot of workshops and programs on PowerPoint. Just in case, some of you want to explore it further, I'll share Gurpreet's detail with you. He's
Mhm.
anyways, he's available on LinkedIn, and so, you can always take his help and.
So my way of delivery, you have seen it. This is this way only. I go on more of an engagement. So if Ujwal is there, Shravani is there, Vishal, I'll keep on asking, and I don't take more. So this is how my program is. Let me. So I take 4 plus 2 sessions. So in 4 sessions, I tell you all these options, right? Some of them only I have told you today because it's a time. I take 12 participants per batch. In 2 sessions, the complimentary one, you bring your slide, I'll help you to redesign it. Right. This is how I do. It is all online. I give you a lot of free templates, ebooks. These are provided. Right. So if you will go and see in the market, the price of this, it will be around 5,999. And again, it will be more of people will tell you just the options. They will not tell you how to use it. Like I told you how to use the master slide and other things. So I give it to you in 2499. That is a group batch, right, which I do it. And if I do a coaching thing, so again, if you will talk about the market price, that comes around 9,9999. I give it in 3,999. Again, the sessions will be same, but in coaching, the advantage for you is it will be as per your convenience. It will be not as per the convenience of the batch. Vivek, if you want to add
Not an
anything.
issue. It was a good introduction to us. In fact, though I have been using 365 and a lot of these options were new to me.
And there,
I'll
today, whatever I have told you, Vivek, it is just, tip. There are so
correct,
many
correct.
things, the animations part and all.
I'm sure there are so many things. I'll share your contacts. Let's see in case someone wants to explore more, they can get in touch. Anyways, Gurpreet is there on LinkedIn. I'll share his LinkedIn profile as well. So you guys can connect with him and see how. You can engage with him and see if he can be of any help.
So,
Right?
so you
I
don't take much of like Excel. It's like mostly on PowerPoint that like you specialize in.
Yes, because it's better to become master of one. If I go on so many things, that is what I want to specialize now on, because PowerPoint is most of the people are using it, and I want to touch a million's life in this. Still a number is
Sorry
all
to
I'm
interrupt.
working on it. Yes.
Someone's mic is on. It is disturbing.
I think Shravani won. Shravani, can you just put it on mute?
From admin panel, it can be done. I think.
Gurpreet, can you just return the host rights to me? Just share the host right again.
I'm not able to do that, Vivek.
Mm,
Not sure why. I hope I was able to add value
yes,
to
certainly,
people.
certainly. it will be.
I have been using this very, very long back. Today, thanks to the online education, this new laptop is here. The Windows 10 is here.
Okay.
Very long time I have visited PowerPoint again. But one thing I always had doubt was the hyperlinks. How do we create hyperlinks?
So
Because when
if
we
you will,
try to,
if you
add
go
some
to
other file.
insert, let me tell you. If you go to insert, or what you can do is, you can select this, right click.
Gurpreet, I think you'll have to share the screen again.
Acha, I'm sorry. Stop share. Share. Yes. I don't know why I'm not able to mute also.
You just.
Varsha is the host.
Okay.
Varsha, then transfer the host to me.
Happening from here as well.
Oh,
One second.
Please mute Shravani, Varsha, if possible, or mute all.
You will be muted if it is muted all.
No, it is okay. I can unmute also.
Yeah.
If she can mute everybody, Varsha.
chalo, anyways.
Great.
Shravani
So
is on
what you
mute.
can stop share. I will share again my screen. So suppose I want to make this as hyperlink. I select the text,
Hmm.
right click, and I click link. You can insert a link over here, and this will be hyperlink. Got it, Sangeeta? Hello.
Yeah, I got it.
Got it. Any other question anybody has? Maybe I can answer that.
I think the more we practice and the more I'm
Got it.
sure will come up. But
Definitely.
Gurpreet, having said that, whatever tips you've shared today is surely going to help us. And some of the aspects, especially with the aligning part and the merging, was something which was
Exactly. They were
absolutely new
very
for us.
helpful.
We've been working on it for years, and and I mean, majority of our time goes on just maintaining the uniformity in the slides, and it takes so
Okay.
much of time and our energy. But then the tips that you've shared, and I'm sure the presentation or the program that you have is going to be quite a useful one. But taking time out for us and giving these tips is, thank you so much for it. It's really,
Really
really
appreciate
useful.
that. Really appreciate
Yeah.
that.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Actually given us a lot of short tricks.
Yeah,
True.
right.
No,
Thank you so much.
no,
My mission is people should, again, I'll just end this with, I want people to spend more time with families and not with PowerPoint or with
but
presentations.
you have
I
taken
think
a
then you
family
should be
edition.
telling this to all the managers of the corporate teams.
No, but
Yeah,
he himself has taken a family edition. Not
Punchline was
true.
good. Punchline was good, and it can be used for the marketing also.
True. It was a great session, Gurpreet.
Thank you so
I'll
much,
I'll I'll
Vivek.
share your coordinates. You're there on LinkedIn.
Sure, sure.
Let's keep in touch. Let's see how it goes.
Sure,
Hmm?
Vivek. Thank you so much, Vivek.
Chalo. Thanks a lot. I'll disconnect
Okay.
now. Thank
Bye
you.
bye. Bye.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Thank
Bye,
Thanks,
everyone.
everybody.
Bye bye everyone. Have a great Sunday.
Thank you, Mr. Gurpreet.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, Vishal.